Hi, I'm Andrea Schneider and I've been busy making face mask kits for people. So I want to show you how you can do it yourself instead of waiting in line. So if you have a pillowcase, just take it and fold it, and then you may not have a tool like I do, but I'll show you actually with a regular scissors. So measure 9 inches and 6 inches. So this is going to be 6 inches across. Oh, I'm gonna use my regular scissors. And I'm gonna just cut it. Works better when I'm slicing it with my quilt kit, but you may not have that. And then I'm going to do it 9 inches the other way. And I am gonna use my slicer. And then I'm going to cut it again because I have a bigger piece than I need. So this will actually give me enough for 2 masks. So I'm going to measure 9 inches. So it's 9 by 6 is the pattern I'm using. And then I cut a pillowcase yesterday that a nice lady, Mary, had given me both of these. And so I combined these, and then you can use ribbon, or you can use elastic. You can use an elastic headband and cut it in half. And so I'll put the pattern down below, and you can make this yourself. Okay, good luck.